You guys are doing awesome. If this math takes too long, talk to mommy or daddy or the babysitter. You can always stop, go do something else for a little bit, take a little brain break, and then come back. We are now on page 22. And you might be thinking, that doesn't look a thing like the pages I've been doing with Ms. Rhodes. And it looks different, but I bet you'll figure out how the thinking is the same. That's the thing about first grade math, is you're not just copying numbers and drawing circles like you might have in kindergarten. Now you're going to have to take new ideas and put them together in new ways. That will make you a smart math thinker. So it's going to read the directions. Use the picture to help you complete the addition sentence and write the sum. Wait a minute. The sum? What did sum mean? If you don't remember, you can flip back, and on page 20 with the turtles at the top, it reminds you. The word plus, the word equal to, and the word sum. Oh, the sum was the answer to our addition problem. So we have to still figure out the sum to our addition problems. Let's do this. It says, how many orange triangles? You have a choice here. You can either say, oh, I'm going to take this group of orange triangles or this group of orange triangles. It doesn't say which one to use, so it doesn't matter. You're just putting together the groups of orange triangles. I'll go this way. I'm going to say 3 orange triangles because this group had 3 orange triangles, plus the other orange triangles. There are 2 orange triangles there. All together makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange triangles. Do you see how to do that? You have to use the pictures on the top to figure out the numbers to go in the addition sentence and figure the sum. This says, I have green circles. How many green circles? We might be talking about these green circles or this green circle. Well, I'm going to start with this one this time. I have 1 green circle. You could have started with 3. Then I'm going to add my other group of green circles. That has 3 in it. How many green circles in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 green circles in all. Let's look at 11. Oh, now we're figuring about how many yellow squares there are. So I have to look on the top, a group of 3 and another group of 3. So this group had 3 yellow squares, so I wrote number 3. This group also has 3 yellow squares. I wrote another 3. Now, 3 plus 3 to figure out how many yellow squares in all. I'll just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 yellow squares in all. Here's a hard question. What did sum? Which of these numbers means sum? The sum in addition problem is the answer to the addition problem. Go ahead and circle the sum in every one of those problems. Let's see, we put a group of 3 and a group of 2 together. All together it made 5. So 5 was the sum to the first problem. Put your finger on the sum to the green circle problem. The sum is the answer to the addition problem. It's how many green circles in all. Yes, it's the 4. The next problem, the sum of 3 plus 3. Oh, that's how many in all. There's the sum there. Did you get it right? Sum is a very important word to know in first grade math. One last problem to do together. Again, we'll be using our counters. It says 3 bunnies and 5 more bunnies. Get your 3 red counters, and then you can get 5 more counters, and the color doesn't matter. Then count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is how many bunnies in all. That's the sum. And now I want to draw. So when my counters are gone, I can still show how I figured it out. So you should have a group of 3 bunnies, a group of 5 bunnies, and 3 plus 5 makes a sum of 8. Excellent job. Thanks for paying attention to do these pages. This is kind of strange, isn't it, doing it on the computer like this instead of sitting in class. You're working hard, and I really appreciate it. Now, things change. We're done doing the 4 pages we needed to do together, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Now, you're going to click once more time on the link to the left of the green arrow at the bottom of the page. But now it's going to take you to the 2 pages you're going to do by yourself. Page 23 and page 24. Do that now.